Hey everyone, Chris here, and in today's video, I'm excited to share 3 of my top favorite email automation tips and tricks that I've learned over the years using Kajabi. These tips have not only made email automation and marketing more effective, but have also saved me a ton of time and headache. Seriously, I wish I had known them when I had first started using Kajabi. By the way, if you are here and new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below this video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those first initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that, right? Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality template for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and your Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth about $900 or more, but you're going to get them for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. And when you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you. So thank you so much for using that. And with that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. All right, let's kick things off first with our first tip, email segmentation. This is like magic for boosting your email marketing efforts. Start by opening Kajabi and navigating to the marketing tab, then head over to email campaigns. Here's where the magic begins. You'd usually find all of our past marketing data here, but as we are using a demo account, it looks fresh. First, create a new email campaign by clicking on the new email campaign. You'll have the option to send an email broadcast or email sequence. And for this example, we're going to choose the broadcast. Think of it as sending out a weekly email or maybe twice a week if you're feeling a bit persuasive, but definitely at least once a week to keep your list warm. Kajabi offers various templates to choose from, and from this demo, we'll pick a random template purely for demonstration purposes. After that, click the Get Started and name this test email Test. Super creative, I know. Now, even if you're just starting out and have no subscribers yet, this setup will be the same whether your list is brand new or well established. You'll typically see the number of people on your list and options to select recipients, edit content, or schedule an email. Here's where the email automation magic really shines: segmenting your list. When deciding who will receive this broadcast, you can segment your list. This means dividing your email into smaller groups based on certain criteria. Trust me, this is crucial because people come into your world at different stages. Some are newbies in a welcome sequence, while others are seasoned subscribers needing different content. By clicking on the recipient section, you can choose to send the email to all contacts, just customers, or create a custom segment. Custom segmentation is your best friend here. For instance, you can filter your list based on email activity. Kajabi allows you to segment contacts in categories like delivered an email in last, hasn't been delivered an email in last, opened an email in last, hasn't opened an email in last, hasn't clicked on an email in last, and clicked an email in the last based on their activity over specified period of time. Want to send a special promotion to those who've actively opened your emails in the past 15 days? Easy peasy. Just select open email in the last filter, choose 15 days, and click apply. Kajabi's integrated analytics make this segmentation process a breeze. All your email open data is stored in Kajabi so you can filter your contacts based on their engagement. This is super handy if you've been building your list over time and have tons of data. Another great example of segmentation is filtering based on ownership. If your business model relies heavily on after-sales service, you can segment based on who owns a product and who doesn't. This ensures that prospective customers aren't bombarded with both automated sequences and regular broadcasts. After applying these filters, you can save these segments for quick access in the future. This makes managing your broadcasts a walk in the park and ensures that the right people receive the right emails at the right times. Moving on to the next trick, adding email tags to your sequences. Tags are like little labels that help organize your subscribers based on their interactions with your emails. Let's say you have a welcome email sequence for new subscribers. In Kajabi, you can set up automations that add tags to subscribers once they complete this sequence. Now to do this, you go to your email sequence settings and scroll down to the automation section, click add automation, and you'll see a simple when then interface. For example, when a subscriber clicks a link in the email, you can add a tag like new subscription added. This tag helps you identify subscribers who have completed the premium account creation sequence. This is super useful for managing your broadcast because you can then filter your list to include only those who have completed the sequence. Kajabi's automation settings are straightforward but very powerful. If you're on the growth plan, you also have access to advanced filters and conditions, allowing you to create even more sophisticated automations. Another cool use of tags is for tracking subscriber behavior. For example, you can add tags when subscribers want to watch a video, download a resource, or attend a webinar. This way, you can send targeted follow-up emails based on their specific actions. Imagine sending a thanks for attending our webinar email to everyone who joined your latest live session. It adds a personal touch and shows your audience that you're really paying attention. Last but not least, let's talk about customizing your email templates. Many users overlook this feature, but it can seriously elevate how your emails represent your brand. To access this feature, go to the Settings tab and click Email Templates. You'll see a list of automated emails that Kajabi sends out by default, like cart abandonment emails, membership drip notifications, and offer purchase confirmations. Each of these templates can be fully customized to match your brand's voice and style. For example, if someone abandons their cart, you can send a follow-up email that sounds like you, making it more personal and engaging. Or an announcement notification that you can personally edit and create if the need arises for you to create one. Let's dive deeper into it by clicking on the Edit button. Here you can edit the subject of the email to your appropriate product. The content box underneath has a rough template given for you to use. Here you can edit into the brackets to keep it as simple and easy as possible. Or you can add your own little special touches and make that email more personal. It's completely up to you. Kajabi provides default templates, but you can modify the text, layout, and design to better reflect your business. This level of customization is crucial because it ensures that all communication from your business feels consistent and professional, helping you to build stronger relationships with your audience. You can also use custom templates to create a cohesive look across all your emails. Add your brand's logo, use your brand's colors, include your signature. This not only looks professional, but it also helps build brand recognition. Here's a pro tip. Create a few different templates for various purposes like newsletters, promotional emails, and transactional emails. This way, you can quickly choose a template that fits your needs without starting from scratch every time. So there you have it. 3 powerful email automation tips and tricks using Kajabi email segmentation, adding email tags, and customizing email templates. By implementing these strategies, you can streamline your email marketing efforts, engage your audience more efficiently, and present a professional and cohesive brand image. If you're on the fence about trying Kajabi, I highly encourage you to dive in and explore its features. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your 30-day free trial with Kajabi and access to my exclusive Kajabi Jumpstart course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.